I've wanted a arbour seat for some time, and the reason was because one of the best views in the garden is across the pond and the wildlife pond and across to the bank on the other side with the looking at the tree fern, and we had nowhere to sit. And I'd been looking at these seats in garden centres, and they seemed quite expensive. Sort of probably the cheapest I saw was about 350. And then I saw this one online from Rowlinson Garden Products for about £200, and I thought actually I'll take a chance on that and see what it's like. And when we got it, I was pleasantly surprised. It was much bigger than I thought, and you could seat two people or even three at a push on it quite comfortably. Now, it comes flat packed, and it does require a little bit of drilling, just as pilot holes for the screws, but it's quite simple to assemble, and it's all pressure treated, so you don't have to treat it if you don't want to, but we wanted to have it matching to our arbour, so we painted it in this red colour, and it's a poppy red mix from B&Q. I thought I might have to cement it in or attach it to the ground somehow, but it's quite heavy and quite sturdy, and it just sits there on the ground, quite stable by itself. It's quite amazing that just by painting it red and with the shape of the roof, it's become a garden feature all of its own, a focal point in the garden.